Today we're doing a review of a backseat extender for the dogs. We're going to show you guys how to install it and everything. Welcome to the review. Today you guys, we're doing a review of this awesome backseat extender for dogs. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We're going to install this and then go get Eleanor and show you what she thinks about it. This is the back part of it. I love that it has the little bumps on it. This makes it so it doesn't slide around. If you don't know, most of my seats back here are leather, so this makes it so they don't slide around, which is nice. We're going to show you the install real quick. So this backseat extender does need a little bit of assembly. There is a zipper right here, and then all of these pieces go inside of there to make it so this not only extends our back seat but makes it more stable for the dogs. See, they just slide right in there, nice and easy. Now that we have all of the flat pieces installed, we are going to go ahead and install this by hooking it around the seats. So it has the nice handles. You want to push those down into the crack of your seats. Again, this is just going to hold it in place. There's a few of those that you need to do that with. And then there's these nice clips, and this is all adjustable, so depending on the size of your back seat, those clip around the headrests of your seat, and then these ones here clip right around the front. We're going to finish installing this real quick. On the back part here, you can see there's a couple pockets for storage. This is my favorite feature. You can see my air conditioning vents are right there, which means the air can still flow freely to the dogs in the back. And then it's got another pocket over here. Also comes with a doggy seat belt. And pull that flap up over there. So it has these side flaps on each side that zipper up, and then they attach up at the top. And basically those protect your doors. If you have a dog that loves to paw at the door when you're driving, when they're excited to get out, this is going to keep your doors nice and protected. So it's all installed. To give you guys an idea of how much space this adds, this is where my back seat ends, and this is how much more space it gives. And this is really stable. Like, the dogs can lay down in here, they can move around, and they have all this extra space. They're not going to fall down into the little hole here, which is really nice. We're going to go get Eleanor and show you what it looks like with a dog in it. Come on, Elle, show everybody what it's like. Jump. There you go. What do you think? Look at all this space you have. It's like, oh my gosh, so much room for activities. Hi, how you doing? What do you think? So we could zip this up and put it up here. And then that's gonna, let me see. So when we hang that up there, like I said, that's gonna make it so she can't tear up the door. What do you think? Do you wanna show them how cool it is when you lay down? Yeah? Okay. What do you think of that? So you can see she's laid down. She's got all this space. She can roll around if she wants. She can use this half if she wants. She's got all the space. What do you think? Is that pretty comfy? She's like, yeah, this is pretty nice. I like this a lot. The other nice thing about these is this is going to stop her nails from wrecking my seat. You can see here, there's already dog hair on this. It's going to make it so that when she sheds all of her dog hair all over my car, I can just fold this up, take it out, and clean this, and my car will stay clean. What do you think, Elle? Eleanor says, yeah, this is pretty cool. I approve of this backseat extender.